Google has been putting work into bringing spatial audio to its mobile operating system with the latest update to Android 13. The company has introduced a number of APIs referred to as the Spatializer that app developers can now leverage to offer its users a full 3D audio listening experience. This could be a great way of immersing the user, since this type of feature would allow you to turn your head while listening to music or watching a movie so that it will sound as if the audio is moving in a 3D environment. The company even confirmed that they were bringing this feature to the Pixel Buds Pro earbuds soon, but we're still waiting for this rollout to begin. Until then, the company has included the feature for developers to test out on the Google Pixel 6 with the first beta of its Android 13 quarterly platform release. Toggles for the feature are now showing up in the Settings application under the Sound and Vibration section. You can see the spatial audio toggle right here, while also appearing under the Device Details section of connected Bluetooth headsets. But as this is a beta release of an upcoming Android 13 update, there seems to be some sort of issue with getting this feature working properly. I'm reading that this is likely because Android applications have yet to be updated to include support for those spatial audio APIs that were introduced in the stable release of Android 13. So with few users having access to this feature on Android, it makes little sense for app developers to dedicate the time and effort required to bring spatial audio support to its application. This is likely to change in the near future as Google works with its partners in an attempt to bring this feature to the masses, and we could see some news about this next month at the Google Pixel hardware event that is scheduled for October 6th. We can see this feature is slated to support wired headphones, but it's unlikely to work on 3.5mm headsets. It's possible for this feature to only be compatible with Bluetooth or USB-C wired headsets, since head tracking data needs to be sent back to the smartphone or tablet in order for it to emulate a full 3D audio experience. And this could be the type of feature that finally convinces people to migrate from their old 3.5mm headphones to something that can support spatial audio on Android. We'll have to wait and see how the listening experience is on Android when applications are finally updated to support the feature, but it could be something that really helps to immerse the user.